In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub account. Whether you're a developer looking to collaborate on projects or someone eager to explore open source contributions, creating a GitHub account is your first step into this vibrant community. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the GitHub signup page. You can easily find this by performing a quick web search for GitHub signup, or if you have a specific link handy, go ahead and use that. Once the signup page is loaded, you'll see a form prompting you for some essential information. This is where you'll enter your email address and password. Take your time and make sure your email is correct, and choose a strong, secure password that you'll remember. Next, GitHub will send you a verification email. This is a crucial step as it confirms your email address so you can continue with the account setup. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from GitHub. If it doesn't appear right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Email servers can occasionally misplace these messages. If it's still not there after a few minutes, you can request that GitHub send you another verification email. Once you've received the correct email, click on the Verify Email Address link provided. Following that, GitHub might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is a simple task, often in the form of selecting specific images or solving a small puzzle, to prove that you're not a robot. It's quick and easy, so just follow the on-screen instructions. After verifying your email and potentially completing the CAPTCHA, you'll need to choose a plan. GitHub offers a variety of plans, but for most users, the free plan is sufficient. The free plan includes unlimited repositories, private repositories, collaboration tools, and GitHub Actions usage. These features are more than capable of supporting both beginners and seasoned developers working on their projects. Finally, GitHub may ask you a few questions about the types of projects you're interested in, your level of experience, and perhaps some of your interests. This information helps GitHub tailor suggestions and features that might be relevant to you. However, if you prefer not to share this information at this time, these questions are completely optional and can be skipped. Once everything is set, you'll find yourself at the GitHub dashboard, your new workspace for managing and collaborating on projects. Congratulations, you now have a GitHub account. This account will serve as a gateway to a world of coding, collaboration, and creativity. Whether you're contributing to open source projects, building your own, or simply exploring what others have created, GitHub provides the tools and community to support your development journey. Enjoy diving into the innovative world of GitHub.